What is up, guys? Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. Today we are looking at how to pronounce the name of the second wine, the second label of famous first grows from the Médoc area from Pauillac. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the second label of Château Mouton Rothschild. We are looking at how to pronounce Le Petit Mouton. Le Petit Mouton. So with an English accent and English pronunciation, you can just say Le Petit Mouton, Le Petit Mouton. But for a typical French pronunciation, say Le Petit Mouton, Le Petit Mouton. So note that you do not want to pronounce the T of petit. Do not say petite. No, in French, the T of petit, which means small, is silent, definitely silent. So do say petit. I in French comes down to E, the sound E, like a double E, so petit. Le petit mouton. Do not say mouton, but rather mouton. Le petit mouton. Not le petit mouton. No, just Le Petit Mouton, the second wine of Château Mouton Rothschild. You can check out the video that I made inside, getting inside the winery of Château Mouton Rothschild. A stunning winery based on the left bank of Bordeaux in Pauillac, making this Le Petit Mouton red wine. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.